And the question is really, am I worried about this new legal team of Amber's? Now, it's not unusual for somebody to change teams when it comes to something like an appeal. But what is interesting here is this is a firm that focuses on First Amendment stuff. But ultimately, appeals are about the legal process in court. So it's going to be incredibly difficult, no matter how big that firm is, to try and suggest that something went wrong in Judge Penny Ascarati's court, because that woman kept that place like a military operation. She was phenomenal in how she managed her courtroom. Now, I think that my gut feeling is that this legal team are going to tie the process up with a whole bunch of legal tomfoolery. And what I mean by that is that they are going to argue points to the nth degree to try and get her off the hook. But ultimately, the First Amendment right does not allow you to defame someone. That's the big issue here. So they can argue she has every right in the world, even if she believed it. But it's not the right to defame. I think that this firm is basically going to tie up even more money, take some more cash from the insurance company. They're going to argue to the nth degree. Did anything go wrong in that courtroom? I don't think so. But I do have a theory about Elaine. And this comes down to New York Marine, which is Amber Heard's second insurance company, suing Amber Heard because she didn't use their lawyer. Now, she did in the beginning, but then they made it so difficult for that lawyer that eventually they just turned around to New York Marine and said, listen, take us off the case because we're not being used. And I think Amber is basically going to throw Elaine under the bus and say the reason why she's being sued is because her own lawyer stopped the insurance company's lawyers for working with her. And if she's going to throw Elaine under the bus for that, she's going to throw her under the bus for losing in Virginia as well. But again, this is just all from what I'm looking at. I think that is the most logical solution. Am I worried? No, I'm not worried. And if by some small chance they do win, I think all hell's going to break loose, because people are going to feel incredibly hard done by if money can buy you out of something as disgusting as what she's been accused of.